Hey gamers, are you trying to log into your PS5 using the PlayStation Portal but it just won't let you in? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you step by step how to fix the can't log into your PS5 problem on PlayStation Portal fast and easy. First thing first, sometimes it's not your device, it's PlayStation server. Go to the official PlayStation Network status page and make sure the servers are up and running. If PSN is down, you'll have to wait until Sony fixes it. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure your PS5 and PlayStation Portal are both connected to a stable Wi-Fi. If possible, restart your router or switch to a stronger network. On your PlayStation Portal, go to Settings, then click on Users and Account, then tap on Sign Out, then sign back in using the same PSN account linked to your PS5. This often refreshes the login session and fixes the error. Now make sure remote play is enabled on your PS5. On your PS5, go to settings, then click on system, then click on remote play and toggle it on. Without this, your PlayStation Portal won't connect properly. Always keep your PS5 and PlayStation Portal updated. Go to settings, then click on system, software update on both devices. Outdated software can cause login and connection issues. A simple restart works wonders. Power off your PS5 completely and restart your PlayStation Portal. Then try login in again. If you are still facing issues, try resetting the network settings on your PlayStation Portal and reconnect to Wi-Fi. This clears any bad configurations blocking the login. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the can't log into PS5 on PlayStation Portal problem. If this helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more PlayStation fixes and drop a comment if you still need help. Happy gaming!